to make money from home. In 2026, real methods that actually work. If you're still thinking making money from home is a scam in 2026, you're already late. Right now, people are earning real income from their phones, laptops, even without experience. But here's the truth. Most people fail because they follow fake methods. In this video, I'll show you real, proven ways to make money from home and how to actually get started today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share real ways to grow online and make money. No fake gurus, no empty promises, just practical steps you can actually use. Let's get straight into it. Method 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make money from home in 2026 is freelancing. You don't need to be an expert. Simple skills like writing, video editing, graphic design, even typing or data entry are in demand right now. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to offer services to people worldwide. Here's how to start. Pick one skill. Don't try everything. Create a simple profile. Offer a basic service at a low price to get your first reviews. Deliver good work, increase your price. Most beginners quit too early, but consistency is what pays. Method 2. Content creation. This is one of the biggest opportunities in 2026. You can make money on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. And guess what? You don't need to show your face. Channels that post facts, motivation story, videos, AI-generated content are blowing up right now. How to start? Pick a niche. Facts, money, lifestyle, etc. Post consistently, at least one video daily. Use trending sounds or topics, improve your editing over time. Money comes from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links. But it takes consistency. Don't expect overnight success. Method 3. Selling digital products. This is where smart people are making passive income. Digital products include ebooks, templates, courses, guides. The best part? You create it once and sell it again and again. Example, if you learn how to grow on TikTok, you can create a simple guide and sell it. Tools you can use: Canva to design, Payhip or Gumroad to sell. Start small. Even a simple PDF can sell if it solves a problem. Method 4. Remote jobs. If you prefer stable income, remote jobs are a great option. Companies now hire people worldwide for customer service, virtual assistants, social media managers, where to find jobs. LinkedIn, Indeed. Remote job websites. You don't always need a degree, skills matter more. Reality check. Let me be honest with you. Making money from home is real, but it's not easy. You will get ignored, feel like quitting, make mistakes. But the difference between people who succeed and those who don't is simple. They don't stop. Outro. If you're serious about making money from home in 2026, pick one method from this video and start today. Don't overthink, don't wait. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real content like this. And comment below, starting today, if you're ready to change your life.